Why is it smoking? There's like smoke all over.
Your hair is too much anyway.
Hi guys, how are you? This is Remy here. Welcome. As you can see, I am taking my hair out. You can see my hair is a little bit dry. Can you see that? It's a little bit dry. Why? Guys, I have these braids in for the longest, and that's the longest I've left them. Probably like a month or 3 weeks, I believe. But guys, I am taking them out because I want to trim my hair as well. I don't know if you can see, look at the ends of my hair. Like, I need to trim it. So you may say that, why am I trimming it while it's dry? I like to do that, and I like to do when it's wet too. So I'm just gonna trim it a little bit while it's dry, and then since I need to wash my hair, I am going to trim it while it's wet as well. There's a video on my channel where I trimmed my hair last year, and I told you guys I was going to get it professionally done. I haven't had the time to go get it done, but it's not like because I wanted to professionally to trim my hair, because I can trim my hair by myself. The fact that I don't think I look good with straight hair anymore, I don't really feel encouraged to go get my hair straightened. So I haven't had the chance to do that. So that's why I'm just going to get my hair trimmed by myself. And while I do that, guys, I want to share a story with you. My first experience when I first went natural with a trim hairstylist. I mean, with a hairstylist. So my first trim experience was horrible. Okay, it was so. Now I'm thinking about it, I was so mad. I'm still mad, and I'm going to take my hair out all the way, and then I'll come back with the whole story. Okay guys, I am back. I'm done taking my hair out. I did not fluff my hair or unravel the hair because I don't want it to be tangled. So it'll be much easier for me when I go wash my hair. It's not tangled. But guys, let's get back to the story. My first experience with a hairstylist when I just went natural. It's gonna be a long story, but I'm gonna try to make it short. So I believe in 2010, 2010, I decided, I'll show you guys. This is picture where before I cut my hair was permed in those pictures. So I did not do the transition. January 5th, that's when I cut mine. So I've been natural for 12 years. 12 years really, but I cut my hair in between those years. So I did not like the cut. I cut it, I colored it, I did not like it. I used to go to, before I cut my hair, I used to go to a Dominican hair salon to do my hair for me. This lady always do my hair really nice. So they don't she was the one that cut my hair. She colored my hair for me. I did not like it because I never used to see my hair short like that. I never used to see me with short hair, so I did not like it. I rushed my hair for my hair to grow so fast. This is the picture where I just cut my hair, and after 2 months I cut it again because I was like, no, I cut it again. I cut the perm off, and then I had this little short hair, which now I want to go back because I didn't enjoy it, because I just wanted my hair to grow. I didn't enjoy the process. So after a year, my hair was flourishing, my hair was nice. So I decided to get a professional trim. I used to, the fact that I never used to do my hair, even before I permed my hair. Growing up in Haiti, people used to do, my aunt, my mother, they used to do my hair. So I never had the chance to really do my hair. So I was a bit afraid of my hair, like trimming my hair, taking care of my hair. So when I went natural, I was like, oh my God, this is so scary. So the first time I wanted to trim my hair after a year, I was like, you know, I still have some little perm in my hair, like the ends, it still looks straight, so I want to cut it, but I'm afraid to cut it myself. So I put it on Instagram, like if anyone knows a good hairstylist, let me know. So this young lady referred me to a specific young woman that maybe used to do her hair. So when I went there, I was like, I need my hair. I'm looking for so and so. So when I went to the salon, I walked in. I was like, I'm looking for so and so, and a lady approached me and said, she's not here, and I was about to leave. As I was about to leave, the woman said, hey, she's not here, but I'm the one who trained her. This is my salon. In my head, I'm like, okay, if this is your salon, you train her, that means you know your thing. So I shouldn't be afraid, right? Big mistake. So she said, what do you want? I said, I want to trim my hair. I've been natural for a year. I haven't had a trim, so I want to remove the straight hair from my own natural hair. And she looked at my hair. She said, oh, you've been natural for 1 year. That's a lot of hair that you have. I said, thank you. My hair, right? In the process of her washing my hair, she was washing my hair. She had this little comb and she was combing my hair. And I was like, it's painful. It's painful. And then when I looked back, I saw all the hair and that comb. I was panicking. I was like, I said, please use a big comb because this comb is taking my hair out so much. Plus it is painful. Guess what she said to me? No, guess it in the comment section below. Guess. I should have walked out the minute she said that. She said,
Mommy, why you worry? Your hair is too much anyway.
why you worry? Your hair is too much anyway. Why? I should have left. I should have left. So I was so mad. I was so mad when she said that. And then, no, it's okay, but I need you to use the big comb. Then she used a big comb and then she has an attitude. Okay? How you taking my hair out and I'm telling you use a big comb and you having an attitude? Now she had an attitude and I was like, this is not looking good for me, for my poor little hair. And she said, okay, let's go back on the chair. She's using this blow dryer. The blow dryer looks so old. So old. As she blow dry my hair with this brush that they use, right? My hair's coming out a lot. And then I see my hair smoking. I'm thinking it's because it's wet. You know, that's normal. Yo, it's smoking. I'm like, is it okay? I think the blow dryer is too hot. Why is it smoking? There's like smoke all over. She was like, no, it's fine because your hair is wet. That's why it's okay. Don't worry. At the time, I didn't even know to tell the lady put heat protector. Nothing. Okay? So she just was blow drying my hair. And after she done, I was looking at my hair. I was like, oh, my hair looks, it's a lot. Not thinking that my hair is fire. So, and she took an old press flat iron. She flat ironed my hair. My hair was so stiff, okay? So she flat ironed my hair and I was like, because my hair was so stiff, and she was trimming my hair. And as she trimmed my hair, she trimmed so much hair. And I was like, you know what? It's okay. I just want all the perm to be out. So I went home. I was looking cute and that. After a week, I want the straight texture to come out. Okay? So tell me why my hair stayed straight after I washed my hair. I know my hair, and I touched the back of my hair. I said, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. So I was like, okay, I'll see the next time I wash my hair. I wash my hair again the following week. My hair stayed straight. The top of my hair was straight. Here was not straight. The back of my hair was straight. I said, this is not looking good. Now I'm mad. Now I'm thinking about the blow dryer. I'm thinking about the flat iron. I'm like, yo, I should have. I'm more upset with myself than the lady because that was my hair. That was my hair and I paid her. That means that I could have told her what to do or I could just got up and go. So the next week the second week when I washed my hair, as I was washing my hair, guess what? I'm putting the conditioner in my hair. I saw the hair's coming out. The hair's coming out like big chunk of hair. I'm gonna find a picture. I'll post it if I find a picture. Like big chunk of hair was coming out the back of my hair. Yo, I was crying. I was like, oh my god, my hair is falling. Guess what? Because she burnt my hair. My hair was white. So I had to cut my hair all over again. Ever since then, I said I am going to take control of my own hair. I'm going to experience my own hair. I'm going to trim my own hair. I'm going to do whatever with my own hair. If it's messed up, I mess it up. That's how I start trimming my own hair. That's how I start doing my own treatment. That's how I start taking care of my hair. And from there, I developed such an amazing relationship with my own hair. It's so powerful when you go natural, and then going natural, it's a mental decision. I had already processed me going natural. So when I embraced it, when I was stop being afraid of me looking natural, I used to hate the twist style. Now you can get me to stop doing that twist. I used to be like, oh my god, you can go outside looking like that. You can't. And after that, I cut my hair a third time, a fourth time. I cut my hair many times. So that was my first hair experience with a hairstylist who was jealous of my hair, because that was jealousy to me. If you said to me right in my face, why you worry your hair too much anyway? And the lady had nice hair. Not all the Dominican hair salons are like this, but be careful with the Dominican hair salons, especially if you're a black woman with natural hair. The Dominican hair salon that I used to go to, they were so nice. For her to see my hair was growing and flourishing, she was proud of it because she used to take care of my hair. But when I went to that other hair salon, the Dominican hair salon, that lady, she was so jealous. So now when I need a hair trim or professional hair trim, when I need my hair to be straight, which I barely get my hair straight, I go to a black person. I still have the hair that I cut after the lady burned my hair, so I will insert a video of the hair. I still have the hair. I don't know why. Maybe I still feel salty. I still have the hair, so I'm gonna insert a video of the hair. They are here. That's all the hair. So let me know in the comment section below if you have a story where someone cut your hair more than what you told them, or someone burnt your hair, someone did, like, if you ever had a bad experience with a hair stylist. Let me know in the comment section below. And what are you natural? Are you not natural? When did you start your journey? If did you guys do transition, or you did a big job? I would consider myself I did a big job. I did a big job twice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. I'll see you on the next video. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.